Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some of the work I did to add support for the MPI standard in the Toro unikernel. So in this case I am in this host which correspond with 4 physical cores and the CPU max is 3600 megahertz. So what I have here at right is the osu-micro-benchmark which has been compiled for OpenMPI. I have been also ported this benchmark to Toro unikernel, and the idea is to pick up the OSU barrier and the OSU all reduced benchmark and compare the two implementations. So let's first run the OSU barrier. So in this case, you can see that I am using 4 thread or process, which is exactly the same number of cores. So the idea is to use 1 thread per core. If we run it, we get this average latency. So let's run it in Toro and compare. So if we run in Toro, we get this average time, which is in cycles. So let's convert it to time. So this corresponds with this latency, which is much more low than what we get in the average latency for the OpenMPI implementation. Let's run another interesting benchmark, which is the OSU all reduce benchmark, which is more interesting because it involves a lot of communication between the core. So let's run it here. And in particular, we're going to focus on the average latency for 512 bytes. So let's run it in Toro. And this is a line that we have to focus on. So in this case, the number of cycles is 14,362 cycles. So let's convert it to time. And we can see, for example, that this is taking around 4 microseconds, which in the case for OpenMPI is taking almost 6 microseconds. I'm still working on this benchmark, and the idea is to find other piece of the code that could be improved, that could run faster in Toro than an OpenMPI. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.